Kita mo, ang daming mga turista. O, diba? Ayan. Paligid ng ano.
San Agustin Church. San Agustin Church is not only famous for surviving for 150.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Oh, na, na, na. Put your hands in the air if you love.
Go! So ito na po, nandito na po kami sa loob.
Remember, BPI is where Santo Domingo Church is.
Yan, ito yung mga old
I love how there's
architecture.
San Agustin Church. Today is the 500 years of Christianity this year. So the founding of Manila will be 50 years later after Magellan discovered the Philippines. And this is the first church in Manila after Santo Niño de Cebu in Cebu. So this is the church. It's so beautiful. One day it used to have a belfry over there.
Where?
Over there, but since an earthquake struck Manila, it was demolished and it got destroyed, and then they didn't put that. That's the belfry we have today.
Okay?
Okay, so see you to another of Intramuros landmarks.
Yes.
Done.
This is San Agustin Church, one of the oldest churches in the Philippines. Yan. San Agustin
Church. San Agustin Church is not only famous for surviving for 150 years of disasters and earthquakes and world wars, but also it has a unique Baroque style, maybe, but the church used to have two belfries, but the other one got demolished during the Second World War and an earthquake. So they put the clock tower over there. So you see, San Agustin Church used to have two belfries and not one. But today there's only one because of earthquakes and natural disasters.
Yan po, papasok po kami dito sa loob. Yan po. Ang ganda, grabe. Sa Pilipinas po ito. spite of pandemic, na-preserve pa rin po nila ang kagandahan nito. Wala pa po silang binago. Renovate daw, pero as it is ang kanyang design, ang kanyang mga decorations, lalo na yan sa ceiling. So, nire-renovate lang daw po siya pag nasisira. Alam naman natin ang hirap ngayon, wala nagsisimba, so walang contributions. Pero kahit na gano'n ang sitwasyon, na panatili pa rin po nila yung kagandahan ng San Agustin Church at pwede na po itong puntahan. Bawal lang po ang bata na pumasok sa loob. Pag nandun po kayo sa loob, talaga mararamdaman mo ang pagiging sagrado nito, na panatili nilang malinis, maayos, at nakita nyo naman hindi siya crowded o wala halos tao talaga, kasi pinagbabawal pa rin po nila ang pagkakaroon ng maraming tao sa loob. For viewing, yes, pero hindi rin po pwedeng magtagal sa loob. Ganyan po kaganda ang isa sa pinakamatandang simbahan sa Pilipinas na matatagpuan sa loob ng Intramuros. Ang ganda-ganda po niya. So, ito po ang isa sa pinakamura na pwedeng gawin. Mura, walang masyadong cheapest, walang gagastusin masyado. Pamasahe lang kung walang sariling sasakyan. So, enjoy watching! Kalesa. Oh, wait. Ayan.
So, hope you enjoy this new video from my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the notification bell in nearby the subscribe button. So, thank you for watching. God bless, and see you for the next video. Bye!
Teka lang po. Yan, sasakay po kami ng Kalesa. Shoutout ka naman. Shoutout. Ano po pangalan niyo?